Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about babies hiccups, which is a very minor issue, but still we have many questions related to that. So let's begin.
Now the first question is, why do babies get hiccups? We all have a respiratory muscle called as diaphragm, which if gets irritated, then we get hiccups.
Newborn babies, young babies, their breathing and swallowing, both these things are not synchronized, not well developed. These things can irritate their diaphragm and then in turn they get hiccups.
Now next reason is gastroesophageal reflux disease, which is related to our food pipe which connects mouth to our stomach.
There is a muscular valve at the end of food pipe. That muscular valve is not very well developed in newborn babies. So what happens when tummy gets full and valve is not working well, so food starts going up, so that causes acidity, and which in turn causes hiccups in babies.
Now next question is, when do babies get hiccups?
While prolonged crying, or when they eat too fast, when they drink too fast, as in they suck very fast, or if they are having GERD, that is gastroesophageal reflux disease, that is similar to what we call gas in very simple language. So gas in babies is very common. Colic, gas, all these terms are quite interrelated. So whenever hiccup is associated with little bit of spitting up or throwing up, then that means baby is having a gas problem.
So while crying a lot, feeding too fast, and during gas, babies get hiccups. Is hiccup dangerous or harmful for babies?
No, it is not at all dangerous. Hiccups in newborn babies usually last only for minutes. If at all it lasts for more than 1 hour, then you need to call your pediatrician.
Now next question is, how to treat hiccups in babies?
Unlike adults, like we get relieved by having water when we get hiccups, but babies do not get relieved by having breast milk or whatever feed they are taking. So we need to give them time. They need little bit of distraction to forget their hiccups issue, and their hiccups will settle in some time, so you don't need to worry about that. If hiccup is associated with GERD, that is gas problem, then definitely your pediatrician will prescribe some gas medicines.
So first thing is ignore. Do not give water, give feed instead. Call your pediatrician if it is lasting for more than 1 hour. If it is related to gas, then treat accordingly. Now last question is, how to prevent hiccups in babies?
Best way to prevent hiccups is to take breaks between the feeds, but during breastfeeding babies do not allow us to take breaks because they keep on sucking, and they will suck till their stomach is full, and then once their stomach is full they will start getting hiccups because they drink too fast when they are hungry. So in that case, what you can do is, like when they are done with one side, you immediately burp them at least twice or thrice, and then you shift on to another side. And in bottle feeding, you can easily take breaks. You can anytime remove bottle from their mouth.
So burp your baby frequently, take breaks between feeds, and distract him.
So I'm ending my video here. If you want any other topic related video, then please let me know in the comment box. For now, just stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.